Teachers often ask our Heggerty literacy specialists about the best way to provide error correction or corrective feedback during a Heggerty Phonemic Awareness lesson. One of the errors you may encounter during your instruction is that students say the name of a letter instead of the sound they hear. When we are working with the 8 phonemic awareness skills, the focus of our instruction is always on the sounds we hear in words and not the letter name. If a student says the name of a letter, we can say, "That's a letter name. What sound do you hear?" Another error you may hear is that when asking students to segment a word into individual sounds, students may keep the sounds together. This may happen when working with consonant blends. If I ask students to segment the word great into sounds, they may respond incorrectly with only 3 sounds, gr-a-t. We can redirect the students by saying, "Tell me the 4 sounds you hear in the word great." We can even model, listen, g-r-a-t. We can scaffold support for learners by providing the number of sounds we hear. Teacher modeling is often the best way to provide support for students with phonemic awareness skills. Teachers can use the example words listed in the lessons, or they may choose to model 2 or 3 words from each daily lesson plan, asking students to repeat what they say before expecting the students to isolate, blend, segment, or manipulate the sounds on their own.